Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I wanted to remind you guys to like, subscribe, and comment. And I want to get straight into the video because this is kind of something very unexpected, and I did not think that we were going to end up, as you would say, turning the tables so quickly. This is actually an extremely big support that I was watching right now, which was roughly around the range of like 28.6, 28.5, $2,800 on $28,000 on Bitcoin. I'm sorry. As of right now, looking at the break of trend right here, which is extremely important, right? We are looking like we are creating a bottom, and the only reason I say that, the only reason why I would actually start being bullish now, again, not until confirmation. I'm never bullish until we have confirmation on my weekly RMACD. Again, it's been relatively accurate for the last forever. So I never go against it, right? Regardless, there's always something that happens that it just ends up being right for whatever reason, like 99% of the time. We are literally right there on creating a bullish week this Sunday. So this week Sunday, if Bitcoin actually crosses this 31K and can possibly close above 31K, I think the bottom is 100% in, and then it's just I'm bullish all over again. I don't really care about the daily or week or 4 hour time frames because these are kind of, I don't want to say irrelevant, but as of right now, you did break this triangle pattern, whatever it's called, and what I can see happening right now or soon is we actually end up, we already kind of pushed a little bit up. I would ideally like to see that 31K get pushed. Actually, let's go to the 15. I want to see the 15 is. Yeah, the 15 is going to move again. So I do think we're going to see 31K. Ideally, what can happen because we never retested here. Actually, let me go check. Did we retest? It doesn't seem like we retested anything, which is kind of a problem, right? It's extremely good when you have a lot of bullish momentum, right? Look at that. That shows so much bullish momentum. But there's two things that can happen now. I don't want to say that I'm worried about, but it's more about, right now there's so much bullish momentum. That's why you have no retest here, right? But usually there's a retest. So what I can see happen right now is we run to 31K. I think 31K is basically guaranteed from here. You come down and retest this level, and then whoops. Right, and then from here you actually end up pushing all over again, right? I do not want to see this, right? I actually do not want to see a rejection from 31K and then a push back down to roughly like 29.5 again, somewhere on this level. I do not want to see this because that would be that would not be good for Bitcoin, because then you actually have a full rejection and then all the way it tests back, right? You can always move again, but because we were hanging around this range for so long, there's a really high chance that we just go right back to 28.6, right? But ideally, what I want to happen is I actually want to break of 31K, and I want to retest of like 31K, right? So I want this to break, right? Ideally, I want this to break. I want us to retest here at the 31 and then run straight to like 34 or 5. That's what I want. So I want this. Scenario one is completely break 31K like he did back here, retest 31K, and then run all the way to 34.5. That's ideally what I would want. You can definitely have scenario two, which is bump 31, rejection, retest, and then run. Or you can have a bump to 31, rejection, retest, but then you actually don't break and you go back down, right? So there's three things that can happen right now. Right now you have one, you have two, and then you have three right there. So right now, that's what I think can happen. I think scenario one you can hit up and you can run it up really well. But again, everything's looking extremely bullish. I don't want to say the bottom's in yet because it's not a guarantee unless my weekly on the RMACD closes. But these pushes have been kind of ridiculous. And again, you're gonna end up closing the 15-minute and 30-minute, bullish. You're actually gonna close the 15-minute bullish right now. Look at all this sideways trading on this bear trigger. You're definitely going to go to 31K. Definitely going to 31K. I'll tell you guys that right now. Yeah, I think again, this looks like the bottom might be in because you just had that breakout. and you don't have a retest, so there's a lot of bullish momentum. And on the weekly, you're getting awfully close to closing that red bubble right here, right? Every single time that it's closed, you've had a really good jump. I mean, last time you went from lows of 32K to 48K, so you went up about $16,000 from the lows. So low is 25. What's 25 plus 16? That's what? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 41K. So we can probably see another move up to like 42-ish K from here if we end up choosing that way. But again, look what happened last time from here, from this level, right? You went from lows of 28K to highs of 53K. So you did an almost, what is that? Like a 25K move. And then from here, that would put us at $55,000, which is around this range right here. So there's a lot of things that can happen. I'm definitely starting to turn bullish. I do not think I will be completely bullish until after we have that weekly close on the RMACD. So we'll see what happens. Right now, I am pretty bullish on Bitcoin and all crypto. I think this is what the possibilities of what can happen. I don't know exactly what direction, but it does look like I don't want to say we're gonna continue up, but this is what's happening right now. If we go above 31K and we close on Sunday bullish, I'm 100% bullish, and I'm gonna be like that for a couple of weeks. And then there's like a big melt up coming soon. But other than that, it's kind of in a middle ground right now. So I'll see you guys later. I'm definitely more bullish than bearish right now. Just wanted to update you guys on a quick TA of what can possibly happen. But again, if we do end up running above 31K and we start trading around this range, then I'm probably going to be 100% bullish. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.